everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I am sharing with you guys a college dorm haul, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this makeup container that I purchased for all my mini makeup brushes. So it has just everything that I need it to. I can put my beauty blender in there. It makes a lot of noise. I bought these Morphe brushes in 2018 and for so long I just left them in their little zip-up pouch that they came in, and I haven't used them, but now that they are all out and in the open, I can finally use them, and I feel like I'm not like, it's easier for me to see, so therefore I'll use it more. The next thing is this really exciting jewelry tray. It's a pineapple. I forgot how much I paid for this, but I don't think it was much, and I'll put the price up here. These bins behind me, I'll insert a picture so you can see them better. I purchased some rolling bins from Target. I think they were like $15. It has wheels, and this is normally what I would use to store like dishes and stuff like that, so I'll be able to use that. I like the fact that it's clear, I can see through it, and it also has wheels, so it'll add a little bit of height to it, which is I'm gonna like a lot better. So I'm super excited about that. And then on this side I have a bulletin board that I purchased that I'm gonna hang in my dorm because I am allowed to use nails in the dorm I'm living in, so I'm really excited. I think it was maybe $11 or $12. I'm so excited about it because I'm gonna do a mood board for the rest of the school year, and well, I guess not for the rest of the school year, for the rest of my time during college and like career planning. And I think I was reading a book, I forget the name of it, but I will insert a picture of it somewhere in here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But I've been reading a book about manifesting your goals and kind of setting goals and kind of like having like a vision board. It helps to have goals. If you're trying to meet specific things, it helps to have goals. And I have a lot of goals for this year, so I want to kind of put those out in the open so that we can make them happen for this year. So I'm so excited and really excited about being able to hang that up in my dorm. I think it's gonna look really good. The next thing is these mesh bags from Amazon to wash your socks in. So these are great so that the washer won't swallow your socks. I posted about this on my Instagram story the other day because someone had removed the front panel from a front loading washer and they found all the socks. So we're gonna prevent sock theft during my senior year with these. So there's that. The next thing is this 5x8 planner that I purchased off of Amazon. This is what it looks like. It has like September 20. It's kind of hard to see. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's really great. I love it. I think it's going to be great. I like the smaller planner for this year because the big one gets really heavy to carry in my backpack, and I had a smaller one a couple years ago and I really liked it. So I'm hoping that this is going to really help for this year with organization and everything. I also purchased these gold nails from Amazon to hang up some of the things I'm gonna hang up in my dorm. I'm so excited for this year's dorm tour because I'm going all out with it, and I'm really gonna have a great time because it's senior year, and I'm just like, we're hanging stuff on the walls, we're doing a lot of different things. I have some plans for a DIY project that I'm super excited to share with you guys. I might make a separate video about it, I'm not sure yet, but I still have to wait for some of the stuff to come in, and then there's one thing I'm gonna have to order when I get to UF and have it delivered to the dorm in order to fulfill my DIY project. So I'm super excited about that. So the next thing is this Betsy Johnson cute pillow. Target has this for $35, but I purchased it through Macy's for $28. So the reason I like this pillow and the reason I was willing to pay as much as I did for it was because it's washable, and I can take the cover off and wash it, and that matches all my other pillows that I purchased from Target last year that I can do the same for. It's really great, and I'm really happy that we can wash this, and I can wash this, and it's also so cute. I mean, is it not? It's just cheetah print. It matches my shirt. It's actually pink. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's actually pink cheetah, so I love it. So when I'm filming this video, I am actually going to be moving in a week from today with my parents. They're gonna move in like the furniture stuff, and I call it furniture because that's basically what it is. My bookcase, all my carts, this cart included, my TV, everything's gonna be moving in, and then I'm gonna ride back with them and then drive my car back up to Gainesville. So I'm so excited for the school year. Stay tuned for a move-in vlog. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.